Main purpose of this video is going to be to show you how to take an account for the wind by turning a certain amount of degrees in the direction that the wind is coming. We're going to want to find this angle right here, because once we find that angle, we'll know how many degrees to turn into the wind, because the wind will be pushing us over here, and if we take this angle and turn it over here, the wind will once again push us to right here. Here's our airplane once again. Our destination is still 10,000 miles away. Our plane's still traveling at 500 miles per hour. Unlike before, this time the wind's going to be coming from the east, pushing our plane west. The wind will be blowing at a speed of 35 miles per hour. And it's going to be perpendicular to the flight of our airplane. So how do we figure out how far away from our destination will be if we don't turn at all? It's actually quite simple. All you have to do is take 35 times the time it takes to get to our normal destination, which is 20 hours. So 35 times 20 equals 700. It will end up 700 miles away from our destination. Alright, now we've figured out how far west the wind will push us. Now we want to figure out what the distance is from here to here. We already know that this is a right triangle because the wind is blowing perpendicular to the flight of the plane. So to figure it out, all we simply have to do is use the Pythagorean theorem. X turns out to be 10,024.5 miles. Now we want to find this angle right here, because as soon as we find this angle, we'll be able to figure out how many degrees east we should turn, so that we don't end up over here and we'll end up over here, or we would like to be. To do this, we'll use trigonometry. So we'll use sine, which is so. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So the opposite of this angle would be 700 divided by the hypotenuse, which is 10,024.5, so then we'll multiply, or we'll take the sine inverse of this. So second sine, second answer, which ends up equaling 4. So this angle is 4 degrees.